In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove Truecaller app from your smartphone. If you no longer need this Truecaller app, then the best thing to do is to remove it. To do this is quite simple, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the best thing to do is to open your apps or go to your apps and find Truecaller app. As you can see, mine is here. Then long press on your app, and if you long press, you can see we have this option to uninstall. This is the easiest way to uninstall the app. If you don't see this option, you should see we have this option called app info. Just tap on it, or if it is not written app info, it should be a settings gear or the name of the app. Now from this page, you can see we have this option to uninstall it. If you tap on uninstall, this will remove the app together with its files. So for my case, I want to use the shortcut. Just long press on this and then just tap on uninstall and confirm that indeed you want to uninstall, and that is it. Truecaller app has been uninstalled from my smartphone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Truecaller app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.